Hey, what up y'all? Welcome to another video on my channel. I will also be posting outfit pictures in that leather jacket on my Instagram. So you should go follow my Instagram. Right now, dope content there. So leather jackets are one of the most sexy pieces of clothing to exist, but they also fall into the higher price bracket. But nonetheless, buying a good leather jacket is a very good investment. I highly recommend not buying the cheap ones from the local stores because they're fucking awful, and like within 2 or 3 wears you'll start getting cracks on the jackets and it will just flake off. But I'm also a broke ass and I cannot afford the expensive leather jacket. So what comes in between? That's right, fast fashion brands. Now the problem with these fast fashion brands is that some of the pieces are too trendy, so they might go out of fashion in say 1 or 2 years of your purchase. But you can find classic pieces here as well if you look hard enough and if you're lucky enough. But even if you buy a classic leather jacket, it should have some details which give it some personality, otherwise it's just too bland. And these details can be anything like zippers, buttons, pockets, etc. But anyway, let's move on to the outfits. And I'm gonna show you 3 ways to style it in street style. And if you live in Delhi, this is the perfect way to end these chilly winters, which are actually not winters anymore. It's just like burning sun in the afternoons. So recently I've been really getting into the trouser kind of street style thing. Trousers do make you look manlier, so in this outfit I'm wearing some grey chinos and I cuff them to show my white socks, and I'm wearing my wolf grey suede Air Force Ones. By the way, link to everything that you can still buy will be in the description. And I tuck my black t-shirt inside my pants to make it look more stylish and also make me look more classier, which I really am not. And this is definitely a more brunch date oriented, kind of a good boy vibes sort of a way to style the leather jacket, unlike outfit number 2. So this is more of a bad boy style of wearing the leather jacket because it's all black, and this style makes me look like a gangster, makes me look like I can finish a person with just one punch. Whereas in reality, I would run away like a little bitch. Okay, so here I'm wearing my black ripped denims, and to go with that, I'm wearing my Vans Old School with no-show socks. And for my t-shirt, I'm wearing a black long line tee with some back print to provide some contrast. So now that we are done with the insecure hollow male ego outfit, bad boy outfit, we can move on to the more coffee during the day or running errands sort of style to wear the leather jacket, and that is outfit number 3. This outfit is a little more spring inspired, even though you cannot wear leather jackets in spring in Delhi. But this outfit has some pastel colors, you know, those baby pinks, baby blues. With that, I wore my blue ripped denims and I kept the outfit clean with my white Air Force Ones. Alright, so that does it for the 3 ways to style this jacket in street style. If you like the video, then press the thumbs up button and do tell me which style did you like the most. Was it the mature, responsible style, or the hollow male ego style, or the kid wearing a leather jacket style? And do subscribe to my channel for more fire content and share this video with your friends. It will help me grow on YouTube. And goodbye.